Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Volkswagen Beetle in Forza Horizon 5. You can acquire this classic car through several in-game methods. The most straightforward ways include purchasing it from the auto show or trying your luck in the auction house. Additionally, keep an eye out for seasonal events, as the Beetle sometimes appears as a reward. Don't forget about wheel spins, which offer another exciting chance to add it to your garage. One common way to get the Beetle is by visiting the auto show, where it's available for 25,000 credits. If you're looking for a better deal, head over to the auction house. Players often list cars there for less than the auto show price, giving you an opportunity to save some credits. Be sure to check frequently, as listings change often, and a great bargain might just pop up. Seasonal events are a fantastic way to earn unique cars, and the Beetle occasionally features as a reward for completing specific challenges. Make sure to participate regularly to maximize your chances. Another exciting method is through wheel spins and super wheel spins. These offer random prizes, including cars, so every spin could bring you closer to owning that iconic Volkswagen Beetle. To successfully acquire your Volkswagen Beetle, it's wise to save up your in-game credits. Always compare prices between the auto show and the auction house to find the best value. Actively engage with all seasonal events, as they are a reliable source for exclusive vehicles. Finally, use every wheel spin you earn. You never know when luck will be on your side.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.